my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and this is my weekly update video. See what I got done and see what I'm still working on. So some of the stuff you've already seen already. If you've seen my Scrubby Sunday video, you've already seen these dishcloths. And this one was like a rectangle blocks one. I am still in the progress of making the video tutorial and written instructions on how I did this dishcloth. So this other finished project you've already seen before too, probably if you've seen my video I've done on Friday. I got this cute little doll here. It's actually supposed to be a pumpkin doll, but looks more like a beet than a pumpkin because it's not orange on the top. She's rather cute. She was made with the mandala, the little craft cake yarn. So she was made with that and another yarn I had on hand. So she turned out pretty cute. I'm not sure how many more pumpkin dolls I'll be making in the future. But yeah, she's cute. The other one, I did a short video on this One Hat Wonder Sesame Street Lion brand yarn that I got off Amazon. This one's Cookie Monster. So yeah, I mentioned in the video, this is like a 2.5 ounce ball. It's a 70 grams, 95 yards, or 87 meters. And it's a size 4. And obviously, there's no yarn in here because I had done a project with it. So there it is. There is the Cookie Monster, the hat. And pretty much all the yarn went into the hat. This hat is my granny square hat, so I'll leave that link in the description. And I had a little bit yarn yet left, and I gave Cookie Monster a little cowl because it kind of keeps his head from flopping around, so it gives him some support. Yeah, little small. I used the hook size that was smaller than my original recommended. It is small on me. This hat's too small, so it'll probably fit one of my grandkids. And also they can probably use it to kind of like cuddle with too. Not necessarily use it as a hat. So there's Cookie Monster hat. Oh, and I finished up, I keep on saying Mobius, hyperbolic ball. So yeah. I finished this up. Something to fidget with. Yeah, it's just like, I think I started with 3 single crochets, and it's like 2 single crochet each round till it gets to be like this. Okay, that I believe is it for my finished projects. One of my unfinished projects, if you can see, is behind me. That is the ongoing Granny Square project. That is a make-along that's running from August through December. And I learned about that from Connie at Just Another Stitch. So if you want a closer look at this, okay. I'll insert a video now to show. I did a separate video on how this looks so far, so I will insert that in right now. Alright, look, I'm just trying to show you the size of this Granny Square blanket that's going on right now. See, it's predominantly blue, but I love all the scrappy colors, so thought I'd show you an update this way. That probably better than me trying to show it in front of a camera. Okay, other projects I got going on. I did do a few rows, but just a few of this, what I'm calling my Fairyland hat. So that turned out, well, it's not done yet, but I got a couple more rows done on this. Hope to have it done by Christmas. I didn't do much progress on the t-shirt. Actually, practically none. I think I just did a few stitches yesterday. Alright, hold on. I'm losing my needle. Yeah. Oh, you're stuck. Yeah, I did no progress on this. So not much on that. I got too many projects going on because I had no. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I didn't have any progress. No progress on this scarf. Very pretty colors, but yeah, I had no progress on this. So that is that. Okay, I think that is all I have until I got my temperature projects, and I have my mystery yarn challenge project for September. The mystery yarn challenge is hosted by Lori over at Armchair Chef, so I hope you go check out her channel. Matter of fact, if you want to participate in October, check her channel out. She's now accepting, send her an email. So briefly, it is when she will match up a couple people that want to play. So I would send yarn out from my stash for the challenge, and then I would in turn receive yarn from somebody else. So anyway, October's is about ready to start, so check out our channel if you want to participate. But I'm hoping to get September's done before the deadline, which I think it's going to be sometime, usually, I don't know when it's, sometime, I'll have to check, maybe October 10th, correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah. Okay, I'll insert a picture, a better picture how this looks like, but yeah. I gotta make, it's so far my jacket that I plan on making, and I think I'm gonna finish up this last round and then start the second half, because I gotta make 2 halves of these. So yeah, need to yeah, I need to kind of focus more on getting this project done. But nice to get it done by the end of September, but I think I got till sometime in October to get it done. So I need to keep going on this. So the picture that I'm using a previous jacket I made, the granny square jacket I made, to help guide me on this. But yeah, I'm not sure it got the increase right, because it looked like it's increasing a little too much, but I don't know. I plan on making another jacket, and I had bought yarn for that. That'll be a separate video. Okay, all I have left are my temperature projects. So this is, I'm probably a week behind now on this, because I'm trying to get the Mystery Yarn Challenge project done. This is September's so far, and we're at the end of September, so I think, yeah, the next couple days coming up is going to be a big, yeah, they're bigger patterns too. They're more than 4 rows. Usually the average is for every pattern in the calendar is about every 4 rows. So yeah, if you're confused and new, I am doing a year-long temperature blanket using a calendar. I don't have that calendar with me. Using a calendar that shows a stitch for every day. And to keep it manageable, I do one blanket per month, and then I attach all the blankets together. So after this is done, I'll have July, August, and September to put together to attach to the bigger blanket. So yeah, I'm a week behind on this, my September's blanket. So the only last one is the crochet one. It's not a blanket, it's a scarf. If you know, I have 2 temperature projects going on this whole year, so this one's almost always up to date. So yeah, I'm hoping there's not too many more days in the 80s, because this is all I got left. Oh, this is a mess. So it's looking like this year there were many more days in the 80s. So far. Year's not over yet. Yeah, I'm running, and I think I'm going to start running a trend of the 80s, but they're still in the forecast, so. Yeah, it looks like a good chunk of that orange color is the 80s. So, that is all my projects. Okay, yeah, look at my watch because I'm recording this before going to work. But some other updates, if you've seen, I think it was it last week, that I got headphones from TWS instead of yarn. I ordered yarn from this company, which I should probably let you know not to buy from, because I have not. They sent me an initial email saying that they would give me like 5% back refund. It's like, no, it's not acceptable. So I emailed them back, said it's not acceptable. I wanted a refund, and I have not heard back yet. And I think I sent this email out this past Friday, and I'm recording this on a Tuesday, so I have no updates yet. So it's looking like I have a set of headphones instead of yarn. So I think I already left a link of where not to go. So definitely be wary of your Facebook ads of who's selling yarn. If you're not familiar with it, then you're taking a chance, like I just did. But hopefully I'll hear back from them. If not, then I will reach out to them again, saying that, hey, this is unacceptable, I want a full refund, or send me my yarn. You know, at this point, I would be happy to send partial order of yarn, but I'm going to be not optimistic. I guess the best thing I can do at this point is to warn you not to go there. So, alright, and I have initial plans with October coming up. Many YouTubers, Yarny and non-Yarny, do Blogtober. So I'm going to attempt to do a video every day in October. I'm not sure how that's going to work out, because I do planning a week of vacation with visiting my my mom and my family in Wisconsin. So that might or might not happen during that week. So, okay. Done enough rambling, and I gotta get to work, because I'm recording this for video before work, which I already mentioned 100 times over. So if you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel, and I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.